Hi, everyone, Peter here. Today, I want to show you how to rip VCD DAT video to MP4. Video CD, commonly known as VCD, predates the DVD as a digital video disc format. Due to technological advancements, the compatibility of VCDs has decreased. They are less playable in most Blu-ray disc players, vehicle audio with DVD and Blu-ray support, video game consoles. And also its DAT video file can't be played on many media players and devices. Therefore, many people who own a VCD want to convert it to MP4. So what's to be done? Continue on to the video guide. Step 1. Find DAT files in VCD. Insert VCD into your computer's disk drive. Then, open the VCD folder and go to the MPEG directory. You will see all the DAT videos. Step 2. Install a video and DVD converter app. The app I use is Cisdem Video Converter. With it, you can convert videos, edit videos, download videos, and rip DVDs. It's powerful yet easy to use. In the description section, you can find the download link. Step 3. Convert DAT to MP4. Drag and drop DAT files from the MPEG directory to Cisdem Video Converter. You can see the resolution of each DAT video. Neither will be very high. Directly choose MP4 as the output format. There are also many presets for devices. For example, if you want to play the converted MP4 on iPhone, select your phone model. You can adjust video properties. In case you are not an experienced user, leave the default settings as they are. To edit DAT videos before conversion, just open the video editor and make whatever changes you want. Finally, start the conversion. The conversion has been completed. You can click this check mark to quickly open the folder where the file is saved. If the video helped you, subscribe, like, comment. That's the best thanks. Other than that, have a great day.